Hello, it's me Shifa. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you a complete clip through of the Positive Store Planner. This is going to be the second part. The first part of unboxing the video is already out in the channel. I will put the link in the description. You can check that also. But now here, I'm going to give you a complete clip through of the Undated Positive Store Planner. So let's get started. So the first page of the planner is having this planner belongs to page, and इसके बाद जो है एक dedication वाला पेज है, and the next thing is the journey page. इस journey page में actually सारे contents जो इस planner में है सारे कुछ एक जगह पे लिखा हुआ है, so that you can have the whole contents in one single place. फिर we have this introduction page. तो एक्चुअली ये जो फाउंडर है उसकी तरफ से कोई मैसेज है, हेलो देयर ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेंड करके कुछ मैसेज है, और उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे एक क्यूआर कोड भी दिया गया है ताकि आप कैसे प्लानर को यूज़ कर सको उसके बारे में जान पाओ. फिर द नेक्स्ट पेज वी आर हैविंग इज गेट क्लैरिटी. तो यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस दिया गया है so that you can know yourself better, like who are my top 3 role models, what do people usually praise me for. So it's a kind of journaling to get yourself know better. Up next we have the why, and इसमें भी बहुत सारे questions दिया गया है जैसे कि why is it important for me to achieve this goal. So पूरा आपका purpose क्या है उसके बारे में पूछा गया है. Up next we have this belief system. Belief system में भी कुछ questions दिया गया है. So these are all kind of journaling, like what will I start to do more of, what can I do to get rid of it. So all these kind of questions are there. Then the next one is ikigai. You almost have heard about this. So ikigai का मतलब होता है कि what is the reason for waking up in the morning. तो इसमें ikigai find करने के लिए एक process दिया गया है. So you have to write them up and find your ikigai. Next we have action. You are what you do, not what you say you will do. तो उसके बेसिस पे भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस दिया गया है. Fill them up and get ready. Next we have this RAS, which means reticular activating system. So actually it's here you need to write the ultimate goal. So yes, that's it. The next page is vision board. To decorate it as much beautifully as you can, and then let's go ahead. Then we are having goals to break down, like what is your goal, why you want to achieve that, then 3 milestones, finish date and reward, and what are the action tasks. So you are going to break down all of your goals over here. There are 6 pages of goal setting section, and then after these 6 pages we are going to start with our monthly planner. This is how the first page of the monthly planner look like. Here we are having different sections like social contribution, fun, health, career, personal growth and spirituality, relationship. And on this side we are having this January and top 3 outcomes of the month, notes section. At the bottom we are having a quote, and then on this side we can write daily highlights. So here it's given date and day. Yeah, that's it. Now let's turn the page and see what we are having next. So this is the weekly layout, and at the first we are having date day, I am grateful for, top 3 priorities, and a spacious place where you can write other talk or you can decorate it as well. At the bottom we are having this checklist where you can track your mood. Next we have this notes section where you can write any random note. Then a section known as magical event that happened this week and improvement plan for the next week. So here in this green boundary you can actually put the topmost important task of the day and focus your whole energy to complete that single task only. Alright, so here we are having this known as my ultimate goal and main outcome of this week. Then we have this habit tracker where you can track at most 5 habits daily. Next we have this similar layout, but remember this is an undated one, so you have to mention the date every day, and the weekend like Saturday and Sunday is a merged section. Rest all is okay. We have the similar pages. Now yes, let's go to the last one of the monthly planner, which is the monthly review section. That consists meaningful moment I did my best on, rewards for my achievement, my biggest lessons I could have done better on, what I would remember after 5 years, how do I feel section, and I am truly grateful for, what habit I would like to break or develop, what I will be stop being afraid of, I am responsible for, and message to myself, and a note section. That's it. This is how the monthly review section was, and I think it consists of every single question, so it's a great one. Up next, all the other months have this similar layouts and similar questions, so let me just quickly give a flip through. Oh my god, and yeah, that's it. This is how the planner looks like. This is so minimal and so sweet. Okay, and here we are having these 2 ribbons that you can use as a bookmark. This planner is definitely going to be helpful for you if you are a minimalistic person and like to keep your planner simple. This is a spacious planner, and if you are someone who likes to journal and as well as want a productive life, so you can consider it because it consists spacious pages as well as journaling prompts. Now let's see the last few pages of the planner. So here we are having this doodling section where you can color and like relieve your stress. I really love this section. Now the next up we have our take a decision wala section, where you can write any situation that you are confused of what to take action for and break that into different steps and take your final decision considering all the pros and cons and best case and worst case. So yes, there are a few pages for take a decision wala section. And then the next thing that we are having is my favorite of this planner, which is the positive task. So here are a few tasks given that you can undertake and live a positive day. Now up next we have this bucket list of the year. You can fill all your wildest dreams that you want to fulfill in this section. Now the up next pages are $1 million ideas, interesting people and life lessons, and there are a few pages at the back. They are all dotted notes section. And next comes the last section where they have given a beautiful message and they have said to smile and have an amazing life ahead. So here you can jot down any random thoughts, or if you want to write anything special about this year, you can write here. Basically you can use this blank section in whatever way you like to, as per your need you can transform it. Well, that's it. This was all about this planner. I hope you got an idea about how this planner looks like and if it's suitable for you or not. Well, if this video was useful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below for any suggestion, and thank you.